Fucking dickhead. Couldn't reach for the horn quick enough either. Prick. Just because you're on two wheels doesn't mean you don't have to stop for the pedestrians too. Prick. What the fuck are you doing? Dickhead. Whoa. Whoa. What the fuck are you doing? What an absolute cunt. And this one is a cunt too. Fuck off! Get in the back of the queue. Walk out into the road, you fucking idiot. Dickhead. I know the traffic was stopped and that, but I was still going to go up the side because there was enough room until he just wandered out into the fucking road. I guess having a high vis on makes you invincible, or at least that's what he seemed to think. What the fuck are you doing? Dickhead. The fuck? No, fuck off. What? Dickhead. Don't start fucking... You fucking prick. Seriously. What were you fucking doing? Arsehole. Is there really any need for that? They cut right across the front of that truck there. And from where they were, especially that side, the truck driver would have had no idea that they'd gone across the front until they appeared in front of them further ahead. Like, they could have easily had their car written off by their own impatience there. The fuck? Wanker! The fuck was that? Cunt. What the fuck are you doing? I know he was pulling into that bus stop there, but fucking hell, wait a bit at least. It's the whole point of the give way lines, isn't it? My turn, not yours. The fuck is that? Just because you put your indicator on doesn't mean you can move across. Cunt.